We are going to talk about the travel tins that we have on offer
Yep.
today
Yep.
because they're perfect for travelling.
They are perfect for travelling.
Are you going on holiday this year?
I have not booked a holiday abroad this year, but I am going away for a little UK getaway.
Anywhere nice?
To Alnwick Castle, where they
Filmed Harry Potter there, didn't they?
Yeah.
Did they?
Funny, we've just had this conversation about 10 minutes ago. Abracadabra.
So we've got 3 different variants of the travel tin.
Yep.
And the essentials one is the one with the 5 soaps in. Just quickly talk me through what would be in that.
In the essentials one?
Yeah.
So we've got geranium travel soap, sweet orange travel soap, lavender travel soap.
Tongue twister.
Shea butter facial soap, the conditioner and shampoo, and you get sisal bag and a muslin cloth.
Everything you might need for your holiday.
Everything you will need for your holiday.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is also 2 variants of that, isn't there? So this one has got the moisturising salve in rather than the... What's missing out of there? Oh, the 2 little soaps.
Yeah.
And then the deodorant is over on that side as well.
Yeah.
So let's quickly run through each item, just briefly.
Yeah.
Just what it is, what it's good for, etc. So we'll start with your area of expertise, which is the shampoo bar.
Yep. So shampoo bar, fragrance-free, hard shampoo bar. We've done a video before of how to use a shampoo bar.
Yeah.
Exactly the same. Lather it up into your hair.
Okay. Suitable for all hair types?
Suitable for all hair types, yeah. The only advice I would give is to get used to the shampoo before you go away.
Good advice. That is it.
I'm full of good advice.
Are you?
Thank you.
Are you? Okay, so shampoo bar, perfect. Followed up by...
Conditioner.
The conditioning roundel.
So conditioner, again, get used to it before you go away. And again, it works in the same way. Lather it up in your hands, mid-length, and then a little bit into your scalp. Unless you've got oily scalp, then stay away from it.
This has got lots of really nice oils in it as well, hasn't it?
It has.
If you've got very dry hair or
Yeah.
bleached hair like mine.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when you're on holiday, your hair frazzles in the sun a little bit.
Yeah, so obviously I called Chloe out last time on her hair because it's bleached. But yeah, if you do have bleached hair, you will find bleached all hair types, even if it's unbleached or not even got any colour on it, will go lighter in the sun and it will become a little bit dry in the sun.
Yeah, especially if you're in the pool as well.
Chlorine pool, yeah.
Chlorine pool,
Little
sun.
top tip from Wayne's Corner over
Go on,
here.
then.
If you go in the pool and you've got bleached hair and it goes slightly greeny, manky colour, like an army green colour, put a little bit of ketchup in. Tommy sauce.
All over your hair?
Yeah, into your hands and rub it
Why?
into your hair.
What does that do?
Red counteracts green.
Interesting. Is it anything to do with like the alkalinity or
Yeah.
the acidity?
So the acidity and the alkaline, yeah.
That's
So
really
when your hair
interesting.
goes a little bit green, you would put some red in too.
Does that actually happen? Is that not a myth, your hair going green? I've never had that happen to me.
Well, do you go in pools a lot?
I suppose I don't really.
No. But if you did, your hair might just go like a tinge of... It's not going to go bright green, but it could get a tinge of khaki.
God, that's terrifying. Right, stay focused. Next product
it.
in the travel tin essential, the shea butter facial soap.
Shea butter facial soap, absolutely fantastic. For just an exfoliating facial soap.
Yeah.
Great size, great travel size.
Yeah.
It's
got the shea butter in it, so again, it's very moisturising if you've got dry skin, if you're out in the sun all day, or the chlorine's drying your skin out. It's also got the sweet orange in there, which is brightening. Why are you looking at me like that?
Well, I'm just waiting for you to call me out my sunburn.
No, I'm not going to mention you sunburn, but you've just done it to yourself.
Yeah, well, I just thought I'll say
Wayne
it
got
before you do.
sunburned at the weekend, and it's funny because he got sunburned 2 weeks ago at the same place.
Didn't learn my lesson.
You didn't learn your lesson, but anyway, we move, don't
Yeah,
we?
we
So
do.
the shea butter facial soap, suitable for all skin types.
Yeah.
Some people get a little bit funny about using soap on their skin, on their facial skin, because there's this old wives' tale that soap dries your skin out, but that's the SLS and the SLES, which is like the preservatives in there, the detergents.
Which we do not have in
Which
there.
we do not have in ours. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
So, what else have we got in this little tin?
So 3 different types of soap. We've got the geranium, the sweet orange, and the lavender.
Yeah.
Which are great all over body
Yeah.
washes. You can use them on your face as well, absolutely fine. But if you've got the shea butter facial soap, then obviously I would stick to using that on your face and use these on your body.
Yeah. Although you can. Clara did say that you can use these on your face if you've not got sensitive skin. Because she called me out on it on one of the podcasts that we did together.
Right. I use the sweet orange on my face.
Do you? Just all over?
Yeah.
It's a shame you didn't use sweet orange before you went out in the sun, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I did put sun cream on, but
anyway,
it wasn't bright enough. It wasn't strong enough.
It certainly wasn't. Right, what's this, Wayne?
So this is a sisal bag or a sisal bag.
I call it a sisal bag, but people do call it different things. And what do you do with this?
So this is a great way to, so you can put your little bar of soap into the bag. You can string it up, tie it up, and then you can use it as like an exfoliator. So you just wet the sisal bag and lather the soap up inside, and it's just a really good exfoliator.
Yeah.
Great on your skin exfoliating.
Yeah, again, dry skin, exfoliating it all off, and also because these bars are quite small, they're quite easy to drop in the shower.
Yeah.
Well, they are. They jump out of your hands. So if you're putting it in a little bag, it's just easy to keep hold of.
It is, yeah.
I knew you'd like that. I thought you'd find that amusing.
Yeah, it is a lot easier in the bag. And the problem is that obviously if you're on holiday, you're going somewhere hot, people that are a lot better than me put sun cream on. The sisal bag is great for exfoliating, getting like sun cream off.
Yeah.
And you know, everything that you put on your skin during the day.
Yeah.
To then reapply again.
Reapplication is important, Wayne.
Apparently so.
What else have we got in here?
We have got the little muslin cloth.
A classic Cosy Cottage.
Classic.
The
Cosy
signature
Cottage.
Again. Again.
Really soft on the face.
Yeah.
So this isn't an exfoliating cloth. This is a nice soft cloth.
Yeah.
For your face. Fish.
Perfect for your face or your fish. Right.
I did say face.
So there's two. So we've got some variants. So this is the standard, the essentials. This has got everything that you need in. You can take this on a plane with you. That's right, isn't it?
You can take that on a plane.
You can take this in your hand luggage on a plane with you. So it's perfect for travelling, especially if you're just going for like a weekend away or something like that, and you're not taking a big suitcase.
Yeah. So the problem is that you can't take bottles of certain liquids on a plane. And who wants shampoo and conditioner to open up in your suitcase?
Oh, we've all been there, haven't we?
Well, no, because I'm quite sensible in that compartment.
Oh, right, okay.
I take the shampoo bar and conditioner with
Oh,
me.
right, well, I do now.
Yeah.
After having it explode all over all my clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And no one wants that when you're on holiday.
No, it was purple shampoo as well.
Probably the worst thing you could have had
Definitely
explode.
the worst thing I could have had explode.
Yeah, definitely.
But anyway, c'est la vie. So, essentials, then, as I keep saying, we've got two different variants. So, we're just going to point out the two products that are slightly different. So, we've got the moisturising hand and body salve here.
Yes. So, this has been tested up to, and I can't remember the degrees it's been tested up to.
40?
Yeah, I feel like it's somewhere up there.
It was in an incubator. She did put it in an incubator, and I hope she's not watching and screaming at this. But Clara, the owner of the company, tested this up to, we think, 40 degrees. It might be higher. Because the last thing you want is it going warm, turning to liquid, and then leaking all over your suitcase, handbag, etc. So this is a similar formulation to our hand and body balms.
Yep.
But it's got more beeswax in it. Is that right?
Yes, I believe so.
I think so, because I think that's why it holds at its higher temperature.
Yeah.
So this you can use as a bit of an after sun. You know, if you've got any sore red bits, just, you know, sorry Wayne, if you could just move your hands and just show everybody that just any sun-kissed skin, the moisturising salve is perfect to add a bit of moisture back into your skin if that does happen to you on that rare occasion. Not that it would.
But it's great, no, because everyone will put sun cream on. But it is great to have that in your handbag and to moisturise your hands with it, face, everything, just as you go.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I do love the salve.
Yeah, the sweet orange is the one that comes in the travel tin, isn't it?
It is the sweet orange one that comes in the travel tin. Yeah.
Alternatively,
My favourite.
sweet orange is my favourite as well, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Alternatively,
did you?
Yeah.
That's quite offensive.
Just saying.
Alternatively.
Sorry. Deodorant.
Deodorant, Wayne.
Yeah.
So this is the geranium and lavender creamy deodorant. I'm going to call it the creamy deodorant.
It's creamy deodorant.
It's creamy deodorant. But it's one of our best sellers.
Yeah.
We get really lots of positive feedback. Really lots of positive feedback from it, apparently.
Stutter, wasn't it?
It was a little bit there.
Yeah, loads of positive feedback from the deodorant. A lot better for your underarms, your skin, everything, rather than your sprays, your
Aluminium laden roll-ons.
Yeah.
So the deodorant won't stop you from sweating. It will just act as a deodorant, essentially. So it'll just keep you smelling nice and fresh. And am I right in thinking it sort of stops the bacteria from festering, which creates the smell?
Yes.
Is that right? Is that the
mechanism?
mechanism?
So it lets your pores breathe.
Yeah.
So instead of you putting spray on or putting a roll-on on that clogs your pores up, stops you sweating, you'll start sweating from other areas. Just saying.
Speak for yourself.
It's just what you told me last week. Yeah, so the spray deodorant, the roll-on deodorant, it just stops you sweating from your armpit, where we all need to naturally sweat from our armpit.
Yeah.
You're right in saying that it doesn't stop you sweating, but personally, I find that using the deodorant, I don't sweat as much as...
Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? We've had loads of people come in and tell us that.
Obviously, we can't say
there's no hard evidence on it.
No, but it does. I do find that I don't sweat as much, and my mum says as well. She finds that she doesn't sweat as much.
That is interesting.
So. And the deodorant is a real nice fragrance.
Do you like the geranium or do you like the tea tree one better?
I like the men's tea tree sandalwood
one better
because I am a hardcore man.
Real man.
Yeah.
Real men like tea tree. What sort of trip would one of these tins be ideal for?
Any type of trip.
So if I'm going into the Bornean jungle for 6 weeks.
Where's that?
Malaysia. Other side of the world.
Right.
Would this be practical to take with me? Would this last?
Yes.
I think so.
Well, it depends. If you got lost in the jungle, then it's going to run out eventually.
Well, say that everything goes to plan and you don't get lost in the jungle.
Yeah.
Is a tin like this going to last me that long?
Yes, 100%. This tin is going to, if you went on a holiday for a month, it's going to last a month.
Yeah.
If you went on a holiday for 6 weeks, which you're not, because obviously I'd have to sort the rotor out.
You would have to okay my holiday, yeah.
Yeah, so let's not plan any 6 weeks or 4 weeks holiday. But it would last you that long. Yeah,
so it would last, or if you're just going for like short weekends away. Are you going away for a weekend or is it a week?
It's 10 days.
So this would last you your 10 days, wouldn't it?
This would last me my 10 days at Alnwick Castle.
Alnwick, Harry Potter's castle.
No.
Interesting. Okay, so let's talk about the practicalities of it abroad, because before we started recording, we were discussing about different countries having different parameters or guidelines around what you can put down their drain.
Yeah.
Is this all suitable for going down anyone's drain anywhere in the world?
Yeah, absolutely. It's not going to pollute anywhere or anything in any other country. I know we discussed that the filtration systems are different in different countries. They're not as strong as our filtration system.
They're just not as advanced,
Yeah. So this is absolutely fine for going down.
Yeah, because all the ingredients are natural.
Yeah.
Biodegradable, so they'll just naturally break down in nature.
Yeah.
It's all plastic free as well.
Yeah.
So paper wrapping, So it's perfect, really. It's perfect
is.
for the eco-conscious traveller, just like yourself.
It certainly is, yeah. Absolutely.
And the tin as well. We've had a lot of people comment on the tin and the practicalities of the tin.
Yeah.
So when you've used your bits and pieces inside, you can either come back and buy the bits individually and restock it.
Yeah.
Or I use mine as a bit of a makeup tin. I could just keep all sorts of little bits and pieces in it.
Yeah, I don't use mine as a makeup tin.
Don't you?
No.
What do you keep your makeup in? You don't have to tell me on camera, it's all right.
No, I'll tell you away. Yeah, but yeah, the tins are recyclable because we can just keep using them over and over again.
Yeah.
Which
one of these three is your favourite? If you were going away, which one of these would you pick?
I would pick. Oh, it's a hard one between the deodorant or the salve. I would probably go the salve because I've always got the deodorant, and I would just add the deodorant into that. If that's okay, can I pick that one?
You're not going to ask me which one I would pick?
Oh, sorry. Which one would you pick, Chloe?
I'd pick the one with the salve just because that's the one you picked.
Oh, you've always got to
Yeah,
copy.
I just want to be you, don't I, really? Excellent. Right. Well, thank you very much, Wayne. Where can we find all these if I wanted to buy one?
You can find all these at Cozy Cottage Soap Shop at 17 Marketplace, or you can find these online. We are online also.
Yeah. What's the website, Wayne?
www.cozycottagesoap.co.uk.
Excellent. Well done. You've absolutely nailed it. Thank you for your time as ever, Mr. King. This has been insightful.
Thank you very much, Miss Chloe T. Happy with that?